Hi, welcome to Don's Workshop. I'm building the Lego Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit set. Let's continue. We also need the two halves of the sun, so put those over there. And okay. Have this frame, and we're gonna pop that on there. Get those in there, an L bracket, or L beam, not a bracket. It can act like a bracket. And we have another L beam. Why is that there? Okay. I'll put a gear on it. Let's make sure I place this the right direction this time. And don't end up with a gear that doesn't move. Okay. Now we have the two yellow axles going through this white beam. I'm supposed to put it through the black side, okay. And then the other white beam. And then that, guess I can't screw that one up. So that is something. Like so, and we have a long blue beam, and now it's a short yellow axle goes in the middle here. Whoa. It's just kind of going right through there. Okay. And then a black gear here. Okay, just make sure that can spin freely. Got this axle is just going to sit there until I get this on. Oh, that's what those things can be used for. They not just for holding stuff, they actually will hold those axles in. Okay, and then we got another black gear here. That is supposed to go right where this gray pin is. We're gonna hook that up like that. Okay, this dark gray axle connector. And another dark gray piece here, and a long blue pin. And that will go over top like so. Probably hook in. Yeah, I'm supposed to hook that down, but it doesn't exactly. Does it sit right? Okay. And it's not sitting right, but okay, this works. Put the collar on here. Is that too tight, or just what it's gonna be? That came out. Okay. Just want to make sure that's not going to be too tight. Okay, now we have two-sided beam. Get those long blue pins in there. Now here's the three beams on either side. Black pin and a long gray pins. Okay, I'm just putting this gray beam on the bottom, but it doesn't have anything else connected. And it's an axle, a gray axle. I'm gonna put that through there. And a gear. 45-degree gear. And then the big dark gray gear here. And can I just pull that out? And it's not too tight either way, I guess. And then the axle pin right there. Whoa. There's these two. And a collar, gray collar, and then a yellow collar. Yellow collar on the yellow axle. Then another one of these 45-degree gears. And then that. Okay, we're sitting like this. And that goes, yeah, facing this way, like that. Okay. And we have the little gray gear, or dark gray gear. Goes on that axle, meshes with the big dark gray gear. Okay. And those are moving. That's better. And then this mechanism is supposed to go facing this way. And that's supposed to hook onto those. Now, where does this go? Like that. And plug that in there. Okay. Is that pin gonna go in there? Oh, I see. Okay, that's gotta line up. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we're cooking. And now we have this L beam hold everything together. I can get those pins down like that. Okay. Two-sided beam. I'm gonna put some these beam with pin on it, or with pins. Oh, and that's gonna hold that one of the long black axles. And an axle connector to hold that together on each side. There, it's not. It's kind of rubbing on something there, but the other beam. Okay. And then a bunch of pins. Or 4. One goes here. And that one goes there. An L beam on each side. Okay, and now we have that goes there. This is supposed to go here. Don't like that, but we'll see what that's going to be. Axle on this gear. And a collar. Okay, that's going through there. It's just going through there, and then the axle connector. And not be too tight is what we want, not too tight. Okay. And another one of these to hold another axle, more than likely. Okay, now we have this, and that's going on top here. Like so. Okay. This goes in there. And that's going to hold the rolling pin. And pop that through. Okay, axle pin and a black pin. And that is going to go on top here. And this is going over here, this beam pin. And then we put the other long black axle, connect those together. And that's running that. Okay. Now I have this, and it needs to be facing this way, or this way. It connects to the red axle there. Going this way? Or no? Oh, the gear goes on this side. The gear goes on this side, it goes here. Okay, right there. Those two blue pins hook in. And then I'm pretty sure that's supposed to slide onto that. Yep, it is. That axle connector. It's not perfect, but whatever. Just some reds showing through. No, it does show red showing through over there, so maybe it's supposed to. Okay. Look at that. That one's spinning that one. Oh, are they both going to spin here, or what's going on with this one? Okay, and then there's an L-beam on the top here. Hold that on there. Got pins I don't have. Certain. Okay, and then the frame goes on the top. It's always one pin that's gonna just be difficult. There we go. And then hold that together. Or hold that black beam in there. Why is it not going in there? There we go. That holds that gear on. Well, that works, but the other one doesn't spin on anything yet. Is it supposed to? Oh, I see. Okay. Now flip that over. And we put these two long blue pins into those corners. So that inner one spins, but the outer one is not connected to that yet. So now we have, this has to go on top of here. This way? Oh, okay. So now it's going to hook, that's going to hook in there. And this is rolling on there. Well, that's neat. That is neat. Well, I pointed it. Wait, does that matter? Okay, it does. Oh. What just happened? Oh, this came out. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Very specifically needs to go in like that. There we go. Okay, I need to face it the opposite way of the handle. Although I think it's supposed to spin around. Everything's not connected yet. Okay, this a pin and a frame. Put that inside this frame. Long blue pin. Oh, I'm supposed to get that on there. Oh, good thing there's just enough room. That's interesting choice. And then a tile and these slopes. Okay. And that is supposed to go on this side. That's supposed to go on here. Oh, just wait. So this is turned. Yeah, that's turned, and I need it to turn back to March, April. Okay. There we go. So I'm supposed to hook this together. That's why it's not moving, because this has to be hooked up to the black part, and then it will move. There we go. Now it's moving. And then I put two long blue pins on the other side. And oh, we start this again. Pop that in there. Same thing, I think. There we go, and then yeah. This way, do we? And then the slopes. Like so. And same thing on this side. Slide that in. And now we have both sides together. And then on the back, sliding this on here to connect those two. And this, put a collar on there. Okay, fine. It's like that. Boom. And then that is supposed to go like so. And we push this in there. Okay, that's gonna hold that together. Okay. This goes in here to hold that together. Oh, we have a little indicator. This is the month indicator. Don't know if that's out enough. Okay, so now we have yellow pins and the sun halves, the two halves of the sun. And you pop that together. That is quite the interesting. That's a Lego piece, by the way. And then that goes right on top here. So now we're spinning. Okay. Okay, it spins, it goes that way. There we go. So that has been part 3 of my planet Earth and Moon in orbit build. Got the sun on and the arm that the Earth and Moon will be going on to. So if you'd like to see the last part, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.